To use an Apple gift card on FIFA Mobile 2025. Start by opening the App Store on your Apple device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. The amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. Next, open FIFA Mobile 2025 on your device. Tap on the Store tab. Then select the item you want to purchase, such as FIFA points or packs. Tap on the Buy button. Then select the payment method as App Store. You will be prompted to confirm the purchase using your Apple ID balance. If you do not have enough balance, you can add more funds to your Apple ID by redeeming another gift card or adding a payment method. Make sure to check the prices and availability of items in the game before making a purchase. It is also important to note that Apple gift cards can only be used on devices that use the same Apple ID. Ensure that you are using the correct Apple ID on your device to avoid any issues with redeeming the gift card. Additionally, be aware of the terms and conditions of using Apple gift cards on FIFA Mobile 2025, such as any regional restrictions or limitations on purchases. Always check the official Apple and EA Sports websites for the latest information on using gift cards on FIFA Mobile 2025. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to make purchases on FIFA Mobile 2025. Remember to keep track of your Apple ID balance and ensure that you are using the correct Apple ID on your device to avoid any issues with redeeming the gift card.